Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to your own class organized by School of School Malkapur. See students, standard 7. Today we are going to start the unitary method. As you know that the unitary method already you studied in the lower class, that is in standard 6. So what is the unitary method? In unitary method we are finding the value of the 1. Okay, so unit it means 1. And from that value we are finding the value of multiples. For example, from so many numbers we are finding the value of 1, and then with the help of this one number we are finding the so many numbers value. For example, see, price of one article is equal to cost of given number of article upon number of article. So whenever we have to find out the anything, one thing, one as a article, one as a rupees, one thing, anything, so cost of given number of articles upon the number of things. Okay, cost of desired number of the article is equal to cost of one article multiply desired number of article. Okay, for example, number of this, if we have to find out this number of article is how many, so that time what to do, this cost of the one multiply desired number of article. So this number cost of this, if we have to find out this, so this number will get here to multiply, as you know that transpose method. Okay, for example, number 1, see, these two formula will use to find out the next questions answer. First is what, find the cost of 14 pence. Find the cost of 14 pence. Okay, if the cost of 25 pen is this 14 pen is equal to question mark. Okay, cost of 25 pen is equals to rupees 375. Okay, so therefore in that cost of 25 pen is how much, 25 pen is equals to this much. So one pence cost is cost of one pen. Now we will find out the cost of one pen. What is the formula? Cost of one article is equal to what? Cost of given number of article upon number of article. Cost of number given article is what? 375. Here article is what? Pen. So cost of given number of article means 25 pens cost is what? 375. So we will write here rupees 375 upon number of article. Number of article means what? Number of how many pens are there? 25 pen. So in this way we will find out the cost of one pen. Okay, so therefore that's equals to what? 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. Here 25 minus 37 minus 25 is how many? 12, and 12 and here 5, so 25 5s are 125. So it's become what? 15. What is the cost of one pen? Therefore cost of one pen is equals to 15. And now we have to find out here 14 pen cost. Therefore multiply by one pen cost to the 14 pen. Therefore cost of 14 pen is equals to rupees 15 multiply 14 pen, that's equals to, here product will come what? That is 210. You can solve by this two method, this method, or directly here method is given, cost of one pen is given multiplied by 40, and simplest form you can do it here. Okay, like that also. So I hope you understand the things which I explained. So like that we have to solve second example also, third, and exercise 8.5. We'll start the first example of exercise 8.5. Okay, so what is your first example? In that you see a worker paid rupees for 7 days. So 7 days, how much money he paid? Rupees 595 rupees. Okay, how much money he will earn in 15 days? So 15 days is equals to how many money? Okay, so 7 days that much, so 15 days how much? So now we'll have to find out the 1 day money. 1 day how much money he is earning. So what we have to do, total cost upon number of days. So here is rupees 595 upon 7, then we will get the paid money. Okay, so 1 day paid money, 7 and the 7, 7 how many is 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56. So here is getting 3, then 7 5 are 35. So rupees 1 day paid money is equals to 85 rupees. By this rupees 85 we have to multiply to the 15. Okay, so therefore 15 days paid money is equals to rupees 85 multiply 15 days. So 15 5s are 75, here is 5, 7 get carry, 15 8s are okay, and after that is what 12,000, 15 8s are 120 plus 7 127, that is 1275 money. That much money you will pay for 15 days. Let me check the answers. 8.5 question 1. Yes, your answer is correct. You can see your answer 1275. Which one? That much money he has, you will get paid. Understand? You can do in this two step, or you can do directly in one step also. How? Only one slightly change is there. You have to write that word method number second. How you can do it? So here cost of paid money, 7 days is equals to rupees 595. Okay, paid money 1 day is equals to how much? 595 upon 7. This is for 1 day. And now paid money for 15 days. So what to do? Cost of 1, so this 15 multiply this money paid by 1 day. So here 595 upon 7. You can do directly also like this. So here you will be divide, and here will get the 85, and therefore 15 multiply 85. In this way also you can do the calculations and solving. You will get the answer 1000. What is that? 1275. Okay, so therefore 15 days paid money to worker for 15 days equals to understand. So in this way we will try to solve remaining example. I will share you the answer key also. All the best. Stay home, stay safe, take care.